unye Christo ni nsem yasema make no we bad dream but listen and listen good. Ghana ye jai bibia boma mpanyini bi obeba bia so but in development sensory nso boa o tika no mugye no and sofo ba ko timi to kaya be friends Rolls Royce. You know how much a Rolls Royce cost? Do research about Rolls Royce. Rolls Royce is costing about like 5 billion Ghana cedis old currency.
Even more.
Even more. Do you know what 5 billion can do? 5 billion can build a factory. I am telling you, a bit me employ ni pano mobile so dem wa o meji lotto numbers no. A bit me employ say ni pani bebre. No case o meji lotto numbers. You didn't know meji lotto numbers because
Are you speaking directly to a particular
I'm not speaking to anyone. You see a be new right who tinas and fa I don't care.
Do hey why?
Minim.
Now why meji lotto numbers wa?
Minim. Me na me share TV so.
TV bay.
TV. My who channel crop. But Musa man for Mrante Ghana Mrante ni mabawa omusisi omuso na oba sorry lotto number obi de me copy lotto number.
Nah, sorry, no one say way.
Poleeno, don't be asking me unnecessary questions. Who share TV? So don't pretend as if you don't pretend like you don't know what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying. I get my point. Okay, Mrante ni mabawa sorry ejira. Mo ko pade any mama papa mpanyifo. Mo go dem say we give lotto numbers.
Because omusisi can kind like you need caffeine.
What's that?
You need caffeine.
Sika, let me tell you something. There's nothing like dirty money. You need dirty money. Even in America, they do fake currencies.
Yeah.
In America, they chop fake currencies. Okay? Sometimes I say, me, I don't have problems with Christians. Me, I'm a Christian myself. Okay, but I have problem with the church. You see, Poleeno, the rate and manner at which I and sorry be Jessica be near the Adeno. Right. But there be a make us a Ghana and which will be bringing in for sorry.
I didn't say.
Good. What was a good question? She said, baby, to say, me find is a Thanos. You let me know sorry be 50 our Thanos. So, sir.
Yeah.
Good.
Or even more.
And even more, yeah. And question there be a multi collection. Omutu sombi bosome bia no omu jikofi ni ama e bo bosome afore afi bia omu sa ba afore kese afi ni nyina no o be ba afore ye kese mi yensa ye wo afi ni fifini afore the beginning afore and the end of the afore afore good na bi sese sika bebrebe na omu je no e wa sorry dem ho community ni mu na omu je sa sika ni nyina ho community ni mu so no mu nya sika bebrebe Eddie don't be so money. I'm about to a fee asun. Emma Methodist for say ye 50 million, ye 100 million. First before say ye 100 million. Anglican for say ye 100 million. Roman for ye one man churches assemblies we. As say a few way dear. Ye nyina ye contribution. Community we mu ni ye sika free. It is our community no more. A few way ye sika e be a 300,000 Ghana. Enya 400,000 Ghana. It is Tanoso, a dear Tanoso for here. Tanoso for a coin enye. This year, ye ben is 4 billion or 400,000 a coin enye nano, ye be jusu. The behind grade ye be jusu. Not ye side gutters. This is kind of best road. The following year, on in faces, the following year, ye not the same amount or more. And you know, you be twaso, you be ye a pine, you be man of third class, a pine in your streets.
I said, you can see a choir, send a say in faces, a be a diso. Gotta be Yantimia and Yanui, you postpone to the next be a Aforiana as a visa. Now, your boy for you in Yanti and in Suato. Nasa say choir.
You buy your kind time in soon to and found many one said over Syria. And yes, say a foreign a season. A season. A season. A rainy season. We can keep the money. See how this guy to banker
and say, and more. You bet to graduate to treasury bill near Yason Faso. Exactly. And he said to treasury bill near Yason Faso. Now, or Pebre is started. Yentimi and ye or Pebre. Yeah, you know. And that one,
excuse me. Tanoso Nyagano. Tanoso and Yagano. Tanoso a small community.
And see, Me yes sure that sorry for so be sorry for ni na be timi de music aye tan so nyina.
Yen ka se obi an fa ni sika me tan so kwan o.
Like
afini be ko na wie.
Kakra na o manya.
Asori ba ko ye yi matters go so asori ba ko no. Matters afini ko na wie ye no. Matters for betimi generate 10 billion. I'm telling you today. For tight ni ade nyina kan o betimi generate 10 billion in a year.
Okay.
Nen ka so mo for 10 billion me kwan.
Nti omunyimu
be
1 billion.
That is it. When you be 1 billion, and I said 1 billion, more be a 200 million. Matter is for more 200 million.
SD
before I'm not 200 million. SD for more 200 million.
I sorry be a kakra.
O ka se your man Penina Kufuado. Ka Odanka wonder.
Now
and then be no young communities. Share coin. You didn't yakoto abanzo. It's your buying
you say buying I was say
you say a pine and I was saying
Sani afano
Sana Mafano
Timam
for every say I saw them and I saw no port here so no season or see and from Bobo and who it's you would have money as Canada the multi from mommy community na making a move and you need individuals
now on your show as a community now sorry and I say or more page you mom a so on for sustenance here bear coin.
Thank you. What of another point about a Juma and sorry baby what Ghana and sorry man is you. We are aware.
Yeah.
And sorry baby what Ghana and sorry man
is yeah.
Me I sorry I make commented this year is here.
Okay.
Ya kwa jisika wa kra kwa jisika wa ya. Ya ni eba for them.
Kra na mles.
You see I saw the real because I say can baby what do we do with those monies? Now me say mon kwaji asase 2 acres. O kwaji asase 2 acres. Constructing a factory is less costly than building a church. It is a mostly factory. No mostly we be produce we, you be produce drink we. We have unemployed in the churches. Mun take data of all the unemployed. Mubenya position bi ampese munya no factory bi mubenya.
Oh. Emu degree for
one year dey mubenya. It is a mu bia for them so mubenya nsu a. Mutimi employ nipa more than 50. Mubenya mutimi employ more than 50. And no matter this for kwanya sa de no. Roman for nso nye bi. Anglican for nye bi. Presby for nye, SZ for nye. Assemblies for nye. Do you think say
unemployment so bit?
Unemployment e what tanke benya unemployed bi o tan so ha na.
Maybe.
It is a wo Poleeno and na wo nua na me. And na me come Methodist. And na Methodist for akwaji asase. O ma si factory. And you employ me a. And na wo ti fie na wo nkwa sorry a.
Me ba sorry.
O be ba sorry.
Me say me ba me nya adwuma.
Unso ba be nya adwuma. Eno ne dey for so twe akra. E ma urade. Enye dey am ekobo tent. And na turn also for Christ. And na wait for Christ and wait for Christ. And no me to me. Se mo ka se mo fa no so atwe akra dey a. Mo ye mistake esi ba.
Minchwa no na ye fan say Bible say we because asori aye ko nyina the Bible na ye den e adwuma and also say we papa eni kwan say wada han mpo ye den ehu e bia sa anyoma ya o kan nyina ye won sorry ni bia o mafa to mo so mo ye but ye fa
what
metitaso
what group ala titaso
metibo group tanaso
group na what na so be no pogu group ma we si factory pogu group so
obi anya bi but on say obi wo ha e bia asori suffer
masa munya na asori penhwehwe mu kra wa asori dem say be bia
asori panyi bi me asori ameko me nchawa no
quotation na wo masa sia no say Bible say the document any kwase ni film Matthew chapter 6 verse 1 to 3 I want to quotation and I'm telling you Matthew chapter 6 verse 1 coming I want to quotation or see the any family kwase
bonkum ehu
wo ya de mo be na de na kwaso asori and asori ti be ko cha de ni your friend is bloggers ni a friend journalists some excuse me no my friend bloggers so mo na no mo twa mama say nyina ho say ye ne ko che we yo ye ne de we ma we yo and na asori dem afia so no ne afro mama we ya de obaje ntoma wo so etimotimi mfro mu akiri
na onyi
call them back door
no onyi ni say enye omu nyina na esa asori bebre ye papa o mo mfa matuja because yo
me mu asori bu organ o papa o mfa matuja
o bebre
e bi ni say asori be
SDA for ye Pentecost for so ye Methodist for ye because minimo bi a asori na enam asori so no anya adwuma ye mini na wi university
enam asori so
eno anya adwuma but asori na me fan to just say
asori na ko pa adwuma ma
na asori na pa adwuma ma
obi wa asori nim na ko pa adwuma ma na asori na ko pa adwuma ma
say
no obi wa asori nim na pa adwuma ma no
obi na wa asori dem
no the question I'm asking is it the church in general And that's the individual.
Obi ne
pastor. Okay, then it's not the church. I'm talking about the church.
What makes the church?
What makes the church? You ask me what makes the church.
Is it not the members?
It's the members that make the church.
So if a member I employ Obia, so definitely indirect church.
Church,
and if not the church,
church no one hierarchy. So you say what hierarchy?
Yeah.
Your body.
Yeah, body.
I get my point.
Yeah, I get the point.
It's a body, no. And a fellow Poleeno say Poleeno. Your tenants, you who say it's different from say Islam where I'm so Poleeno. Once I wear nice, I once a job sorry, home any different thing.
But maybe say moon say, and no, the mamma no say, who say me bass or into the mam. If saying come to Fian come from me, in a way, no, I sorry in our one. Indirect. Indirect, I sorry in our one.
That's the reason why people are mistaken. As I make and it makes sense. Listen to me, Poleeno. It makes sense. Listen to me.
I really get it. Say it makes sense.
Okay. No matter this from my commercial factory, no more employee. But Jessica was sorry them. I'm telling you today, and then the church in your business.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, church in your business. Because I can't remember 7-8 years ago. Now there was no more and there was this guy, Yami Fan Crency, Kokojiko. Many to a truck commands or Munkobu say, a sorry man, a cassette is cassette or mutual every month. How much says a cassette not to mutual? You got me saying, I'm doing a and there's no way in the Bible, yes, we are doing aside the Levites. Ubi or Kenya, some you need person to the show them. And you want us to be cleaning them, or be paying when as a mutual, and Yamijuman or
oh, yeah, Juma.
Oh, yeah, Juma pay. It's women who say, a sorry no run a business entity. And I say, Yamijuman, and more, yes, I'm watching a crown rally. That's many problem.
Until you saying, sorry, they will say, good no Ghana.
Oh, who could go sorry, saying. Anything else will go sorry. What do you mean go sorry? But I know maybe our more yes is Yano. I yes, because someone and person where they or money muffle. And then people bring to me question because of physical. And I want him, sir. Yeah, people want to me because all sorry, yeah, collection.
Over sorry, baby, sir.
Over sorry, baby, sir. Nina, Sikasem. It's yet to me for the cruise and the aquasori and Yisika. Yeah, money is coming to water.
Somebody was intended to say,
and to so do know what you had the moment.
So the master.
Now, could was him in a drip tennis Kenyan. I am with you, be a sicker.
Say, sorry, you meant to
title, Mudia. Title, wouldn't the principle of the title. Let me tell you something. You don't know the principle of title. Or see, Jimmy, sir. Bakunkoma Levite, Bakunkoma Yanka, Bakunkoma Risia. You people, you preach Ananias and Safari in the church. You people go by this principle.
Yeah, be
I don't want that language. I don't want to hear that.
The thing is, what my
let me tell you something. No. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. Look, community. I'm a team. Say a ton of community. And sorry, we're hanging on to go by this principle. And you a jankabi a wosukon. You we see a wosukon or town. I'm telling you, because Busumi be an attack amount for Triano. See a chimumi and sa, and ye too no dear train and can you we see our town of Sukrumwa. Matter this Roman Anglican so in England.
Could be a
Humberton. I get my point. Could be a Humberton. But they don't go by that principle. But yet they preach and the near service affair. That is my problem. Me, I'm a good Christian. But some no man who seek a sermon, they put me off sometimes. Me, I tell people, I'm from a Christian home. My mom and dad, my family, everyone is a Christian. We are a Christopher. But say you never see Jessica someone sorry the morning. And then machine me time.
Too much.
Sometimes the last time I called sorry, it happened. Chinchin I wasn't talk a sorry camp and by force. Chinchin I mean talk a sorry attack by force and why should that thing be forced? It says Chinchin will be a to be. The moon yes, you both for the we are no matter you said the concrete and craft on for the matter of my business. So 25% to 1% of what's now. If you want to try apple, a big says you can't trap. And he says you cannot motivate V8 Takasian and some money in you people should cut them down. No more physically here. There are people suffering in the churches. I'm out for bread was already.
Create job opportunities.
Creating job opportunities, like what I said. Most factories, but when you be a more buying so. Oh, it's an anakufado. No, we are not the problem. We and of one district, one factory, one district, one factory. No, every district be. I'm sorry, what district be a bit messy one factory. Every district be in Ghana can build one factory. I'm telling you, district be. I'm sorry, what district you know. It's a factory. And your president and the government as well. We know what you do. Or my neighbor also. Na yenya se yedi bibia so boni nyina akomo man panyine on so si factory on so ye ban on so ye we on so ye we ade ene ye taxes and no be issue ade se no ye taxes so man panyine ban na district we yes in the factory and the district we ye ne kwan enso na boa ani ye ne kwan enso na boa ne ye se ya anka net taxes a ye gie no ke ye bete so enke na no mi no 10 cities ke beto no 5 cities because man panyine ka so to tax we be say so man panyine to tax mo de ye
because
yeah, community library, district, as a library, but can't get into and sorry number. Since only so much me now, maybe two more quino, and to one on which I saw them on for wisdom, on my bapa and tubua, on my bapa and tubua, on function. Every Sunday, piano, on my bapa and tubua, so be no more funny cofinia, no munji on my bapa and tubua. And no much says he cannot so from Sanka.
Yeah, the boy mine.
Yeah, the boy mine. Move says cannot and go to every Sunday piano. When you want contact, I finish one. Yes, ye Nessicassi. Methodist for Nessicassi, Roma for Nessicassi. Ye the important also community. Now you're quite in foot room. Who took my mom to Quina? Was on the chrome of it. And you're quite and you're quite the macro here and the lights. In foot room in America. In foot room in London, in foot room in Germany. In future need I friends in Dubai, Japan. You be in future and from Africa Caribbean.
Dubai cried the honor and gay future pro.
I want to get future and there's an Indian future.
Yeah,
near desert. Dubai was near a desert and then you should be Dubai. In Ghana, they are so beautiful to Hong Kong chrono or me and me who's on my way. And as I'm Hong Kong chrono will be a month for you. They want to be a Indiana. You see what I have problem with? Okay, that's the reason I have problem with the churches. They should also help in developing the nation. Because they take a lot of money. Look, the churches buy V8. Do you know how much a V8 costs?
A huge amount.
I'm telling you. Okay, church bit me yes because my bus in here. Now bus in here, Juma. I no told you no tongue on him. And here for so a few bus and Makotono. She needs to benefit. I wasn't a baby and none a benefit from tighten out your sorry, from collection, from a Fordina Obono. I wasn't a banana and none a benefit. A jam menu, I wasn't a banana and a benefit. Do we see that? No. Because it is she trim.
It's a queen called Phobina, a DBA, sorry,
Omu, and yes, Massa, Omu DC Kankasa. See a classic be and sorry be dear. It will surprise you. We are not saying say Levite for Momunchu Muka, but a yankani wishnesi cano, a yet titan, Mumfama woman, sa a wishiani yankasi cano, a yet tight, a shed tight in one, Mumfa omu percentage, a yet 63%, Mumfankoma or Mubabi Mubiano, Mumfankomo.
Your Bible, Musa.
Who be some sort of Bible? Wouldn't you say tight, as a chimneys, not tight, going to the other tight here.
So tight today.
Do research about sorry. You see, you have no knowledge about the Bible. You only read the Bible and what the pastor teaches you, that's what you take. Okay? What the pastor teaches you, that's what you take. But you yourself, instead of you to take the Bible yourself and read and see what is in the Bible.
That is why you are here, so we communicating, you give me
that is what I'm telling you. You say you don't know, say tight.
No, it's not like I don't know, say we are tight at the boss, but the issue is 63%. And I'm asking
tight.
So when we are dividing by
it is a slide and I'm a bit tight 10 CDs. Tight on 10 CDs, 10 CDs. Now you're the 3.33.
Yeah.
Name 99.
Okay.
Instead of 100%, 99.
Yeah.
Then 33. 66 Christ.
Yeah.
Munti almost 66 in your day. Munti 66 in your day. And come out. Ninyankani Wisiano. Omunsuno, Omeninji, cause tight and Casanisika, no year research about tight in the Bible. Or see and fan boabo. A hoho, Omunibi. And was here the tight is Canada, and my mom, and your V8, Sebi, and your mansions.
Na minchano when you need a scanner is a dorsal door more yeah, but scanner doors into betting as also V8 no. I'm an idiot.
It is V8, no bit I saw them run and watch children. I did a V8 and you should be so now, assume no. What you know when Nimusa also commanded V8 maneba.
Episode and which children on fan to us.
I can't find to whine him. What are you talking? What are you telling me?
Because Bible Christ.
Let me tell you something. I saw in here more. They call on the congregation.
Yeah.
Yambeboa, you be yaso. I saw you here and Yamwa. Near catch of some That's what goes on in the church. I'm telling you today. I saw baby in Yamwa. I need to know who organize it. And then what problem be a bra? Now you need Yankupon, the bonfire chair ready.
Because I saw Amico say so, Obi who can now or the better as a form penny for any man. More times, no more, ye debiso. You said that a catcher as well. If you are now watching a banner and watching me no a banner, you be boss or a forever assumes. Instead of saying, Abi will and what you know, as well. Uncle can't champion for. Instead, also there will be a Bible.
No. You said that's not how problem with rich people. Everything is about Hong say, as soon as you know. No, let me tell something. Let me tell something. Obi I saw them. The money are warrior. I won't tell the money as somebody.
Yeah, no.
I'm telling you.
Obi we are there because
Unibi. Are you getting my point?
Yeah, I get it.
Would the baby on Hong be money? It will go me money so be much children. And on Google me money, say community now much for the more community. What prevents the churches from helping the community?
That point in there, me know yeah.
What prevents the churches from helping the communities now? Free billions of cities now. What prevents them?
Don't you think there is about time members never start with this agenda to the
now members no car. I say I me the man me marry you, me them akoto me title. What koto title means so what?
Because
let me tell you, we need to tax. Or you follow up. As to what actually a tight is what Benjamin tight, and then I didn't enjoy Benjamin tax. What Benjamin tax, and then I didn't let me know.
Yeah.
Boni follow up.
Yeah.
Then you follow up.
Yeah.
You follow up with okay. Vivian and I'm let me tell you something. Say never cause trust me, Ghana will never move forward. I'm telling you. Any because you can Bible now could be to say who be ashamed and Casentia Yaminipa and I'll put Yaminipo say and no, let me tell you something.
So we will Casentia of you, but then advice.
At Obiti baby CCI. I know so we because social media. Obi between no. Tentia be Pimatem because my coca. Who are obedi matem you Christian in some as my mecano. We are bad dream, listen and listen good. Ghana, ye jai bibia boman penyin bi obeba so. By in development, sensory no so bois. And sorry no so bois. O sika no mugino and I suffer back with me to kaya be friends Rolls Royce. You know how much a Rolls Royce cost? Do research about Rolls Royce. Rolls Royce is costing about like 5 billion Ghana cedis old currency. Even more. Do you know what 5 billion can do? 5 billion can build a factory. I am telling you. A bit me employ ni pano mobile so dem wa on beji lotto numbers no. A bit me employ say ni pani be pray. No cause on beji lotto numbers. You didn't know beji lotto numbers because on chiri on.
Are you speaking directly to a particular
I'm not speaking to anyone. You see be new right who tinas e fa I don't care.
You hear why?
Minim.
Na why na lotto numbers wa?
Minim. Me na me share TV so.
TV bay.
TV my who channel crop. But mo say man for man emrante Ghana emrante ni mabawa omo sisi omo so na oba sorry lotto number obi de me copy lotto number
na sorry no mo say we
Poleeno, don't be asking me unnecessary questions. Who share TV? So don't pretend as if you don't pretend like you don't know what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying. I get my point. Okay, emrante ni mabawa sorry agina mo ko pade any mama papa mpanyifo mo ko dem say ko lotto numbers
because omo sika kan nim like you need caffeine.
What's that?
I'm Siska, you need caffeine.
Sika, let me tell you something. There's nothing like dirty money. You need dirty money. Even in America, we do fake currencies.
Yeah.
In America, they chop fake currencies.